Hi there, I'm Luke Weston, Product Manager with Chief, a brand of Legrand AV. Today we're going to show you our Impact Series on-wall landscape kiosk. We're going to go through what to expect out of the box, the installation process, and the story behind some of the feature sets. Here's what to expect out of the box. You'll notice the enclosure ships facing down. So the first thing you're going to do is take this back wall plate and disengage that and attach it to the wall. We'll show you how to do that. And then the outer cover underneath will show you how to assemble a TV to that. You also have a ship with hardware bag that has gasketing and all the wall anchors you're going to need. Before adding to the display, it's important to pre-plan your power and signal and AV devices. You have a lot of options with the kiosk here. You have on-wall storage with the Middle Atlantic lever lock product. And if you have more gear, you can use Chief in-wall boxes. First thing we're going to need to do is disassemble the VISA plate, and we're going to do that by removing 4 screws and loosening these thumb nuts. So one thing I want to point out about this outer cover is that it is depth adjustable. So it's going to conform to the depth of your display, which is going to give you the minimum possible protrusion from your wall if you have minimum depth requirements. Another thing you can do is play with that depth to create more area for storage. So super flexible and can be super shallow. We just finished up assembling the display to the outer cover. To do that, we assembled the VISA bracket using the provided hardware to the display. In this case, we wanted to run power and signal across, so we put spacers underneath to create room. We also reattached the 4 thumb nuts that we took off previously and reassembled the 4 screws. Another note, we do have height and leveling adjust in here that we used to align the bezel with the opening of the outer cover. Now that we've installed the Impact Series on-wall landscape kiosk, let's summarize some of the features. You have a single point engagement latch on the top, which gives you 8 inches of service access. If you need more serviceability, you can swing the bottom open. We also ship this with tamper-proof hardware to secure the kiosk. And we already talked about all the on-wall and in-wall AV storage options. We're looking forward to getting this product in your hands. For more information, visit legrandav.com or contact our customer care team or your local sales rep. Thanks.